What is up, Sack Crew? You know what time it is. It is October 1st, and it is our favorite time of year. She's got the pumpkin shirt on. I've got the, Nosferatu. Got some Freddy. Got some Jason. Because it's October 1st. It's Halloween time. Our favorite time of year, so you know what that means. We are on location for another investigation, and we are at Benton Farms in Walton?
Yes.
Walton, Kentucky. I don't know why I want to call it something else, but it's Walton, Kentucky. We are super excited. We've already walked through the house, got some creepy feelings already.
Oh, yeah.
Basement felt kind of heavy to me, so that might be one of the first places I want to start. What about you?
I didn't see the basement because I'm a chicken.
She saw that it was dark and didn't want to go down there. I was like, I'll try it, and it was a little, I felt heaviness when I got down there, so I mean, you know.
I did go up to the attic, though.
Attic. I didn't even know there was an attic. I missed that door.
It was pretty cool. But then, yeah, when we first walked in, the room to the left, I was like, oh.
It's about to go down.
Somebody's here.
So, we're excited. October, we cannot even express how excited we are that it's October. And that we get to do an investigation on the 1st of October.
And we know you love it because you're watching us.
That's right. But, one other cool thing, I don't know if you can hear, a couple times while we were talking, someone was screaming in the background. That's because this lovely place is really a farm. And tonight, they are doing goat yoga, which she didn't know about. She's kind of upset. She would have absolutely have jumped in on that. Yes. So next time, maybe. They do goat yoga every Friday right now. They were kind of waiting until it started to get a little bit cooler for the goats. So now that it's cool, they're going to be doing goat yoga for every Friday for a while. So make sure you check it out. Benton Farms, Facebook, wherever.
They're also an educational farm.
Educational farm, that's right. Which is awesome.
Yes.
So, we're going to show you a little bit of the farm, so let's go.
Hello, kitty.
It says stop because you're not allowed to drive past here. Why is that? Because it's a farm. Why is that? Because there's a trillion cats here. Hi, kitty.
Nope. It's like,
That's like that now.
She would put her paw up to the camera.
Let's see if we could get a zoom in. That's a pretty kitty right there. That one's a pretty kitty right there. Over there. Over there. There's one garden of restrooms. Gotta go pee. You gotta get past that thing.
Ferocious. Claw your eyes out.
That's right. Kitties. Got some nice sanitation here. What does it say? Healthy hands start here. That's right. Purell.
Yep.
Sponsored by Purell. Just kidding.
The kitty's trying to sell the honey.
Oh yeah. Kitty cat's trying to sell some honey. We bought some. This is all farm grown. They actually have bees here that make their honey, so that's awesome. Support your local farms, people.
Yes. Absolutely support your local farms.
We may enjoy scary stuff, but we also enjoy farm life. Here's some ducky ducks. You may not be able to see them because it's a little dark. Got some horse skis. We won't go too far. We'll go see some.
Oh yeah, there's still some. Ow.
Did you hear them? You can hear them goats. These are the bad goats that don't get to participate in yoga.
Yeah. Oh, there's the angry duck again.
There's the duck that sounds like probably one of my dogs in the future. Probably what sounds like my English bulldog would sound like. I said this duck makes weird sounds. It was wagging its tail at us earlier, so hopefully it still will. There it goes. It likes us.
Hi, buddy.
We're cool. But then you got all these goats. What's up, goats? Did you guys not get to participate in yoga?
Were you bad? Did you misbehave?
Were you the bad goats? I understand. I would be the same way. That one looks like it's sleeping next to its mama.
Yeah.
See a little brown one back there. Oh, it woke up as soon as I started recording it.
It's eating the mulch.
What's up, dude? Can you tell us anything about the ghosts that are living in the house back there? You know anything about that? You have
Nope,
any,
sure
experiences? No experiences for you? That's cool.
Oh God, he's biting me. Don't bite me. What are you doing? All right, I'm still gonna pet you even though you're biting me. I'm being attacked. Ah. I think I wore pants. Oh my God. Ah.
Tonight it's not a bat, it's a duck.
Duck. It's gonna bite me in an inappropriate place.
Alright, let's go. You've tried too hard. They're laughing at you getting beaten up.
Huh?
So they're laughing at you.
I know. I would laugh at me too. Watch out, I don't want to hurt you, ducky.
Alright, goats.
Oh my gosh, he's brittle.
This is for the goats that are behind this cage. But little do we know that it's actually going to be the duck.
It feels like a kid when they jump on your leg. Psst. Are you trying to hump my leg, duck? Stop it. Psst. Go get the other ducks. See, they're crazy. Go get them. Oh, look at all these bunnies. That is so cool.
They got like... Those are all bunnies. That one's running. They're having a good time. There's a bunny just chilling in the road. There's a big pig over there. I've never seen a pig that big, and it doesn't even move. Like, it hasn't moved since we got here. I think it's too scared.
I wonder what they're feeding him. He's really pink.
Free range cow over there just walking.
Oh my God, I didn't even see him. Oh.
So this video is basically going to be part obscure, but not really obscure because it's a farm, but also haunted because this place is kind of double. So you could come during the day and enjoy this beautiful farm and then come for an investigation at the house that we were just at night.
Come on Friday so you can do goat yoga first.
You hear that? Goat yoga on
They
Fridays.
jump on your back.
6:30.
It's amazing.
So you don't want to miss that. I've never done goat yoga, but she said they jump on your back while you're doing yoga. Apparently that's cool. I don't know.
Oh no, they're coming. Please don't attack me too. I just want to see you. Oh God. Oh
Oh,
no.
they probably think you have food.
I know.
Let's go.
All right. No food, chickies. I'm sorry. Oh, I can't believe that cow is out. That's so cool.
Cow's out.
Yeah, I'm not stupid enough to take a chance with a cow. A duck is smaller than me.
She says that.
I mean, if it was behind the fence, I absolutely would, but since that one's free and he just did like a jump kick in the air, no.
You stay there, Taco. Taco, stay there. Taco, stop it. It's wagging its tail, so it's kind of excited.
It's like a mite.
He's like, he knew my name was Taco.
Oh, look at them. So cute. Oh, looks like a person the way he's saying.
All right.
Oh, those pheasants are so cute.
Look at this little kitty cat. You gonna run away? You gonna run away? Meow.
Yep.
Yep, yep.
Ow. Oh, look
You
at
guys
that
don't have to
one.
run.
Look at her, she's cute.
Okay, bye. Benton Farmhouse.
It is Benton, right? It's not Benson.
Benton.
It is
Benton. Benton.
Benton Farmhouse. Oh, that's so pretty.
What's cool about this place is they've actually got it set up a little bit like a haunted house. They basically just unlocked the doors and told us to come in.
So this place is different too because we got to check in at 6 o'clock basically. We were here at 5:30 and the lady came out and told us that the house was open already so that we could just come on in. Obviously we walked around the farm first because why wouldn't we? Hello. And then the house was just like handed over to us. So there wasn't a tour at this one. I think that sometimes they do tours. But with the class going on and stuff, I'm not sure. But it's kind of neat when we do this sometimes too, not having it, because then it's like when things do happen, we can kind of go back and validate them. Because it's like, have other teams experienced it? What's the history? And then we'll find all that stuff out too. So pretty exciting.
So now we're just kind of getting our bearings about us, just to kind of see what's what.
What are you doing?
Oh, they got fireworks going off somewhere.
Oh, I thought that was you.
Yeah.
Weird.
Must have been what I was seeing. I was seeing like a pink
Oh.
light, and I thought maybe there was a light outside on the porch.
Can you see them
So
from
if
here?
you're here, you can see a couple of them.
Oh.
But I'll say if you're hearing anything on there, it's fireworks. On a Friday, it's.
Did you hear it?
Hear what?
It was kind of like a...
I heard a tap just a second ago. On a Friday, it's. On a Friday, it's.
Hi. I'm Beth. This is Nick. We've heard lots of nice things about you and your house, so we just wanted to come out and meet you, see your house, and come and have some conversation with you if you wanted to come out and talk to us. So we'll be here for a little bit if you want to come and answer any questions or tell us anything. We would love to know some history about the house and about you.
So if there's anybody at all in this house that would like to talk to us, have a conversation, if you're not in this room, you're more than welcome to come into this room, kind of hang out. I got this little box in my hand. For some reason, if you talk and I can't hear you, this will actually pick up your voice. Man, this spiderweb is messing with me.
Oh.
Every time I move, I'm seeing like a little light right here, and I'm like, it was a spider web. But yeah, I've got this little box in my hand, and when I press this button, you'll see a red light. That means you can talk as loud as you want. And for some reason, if we can't hear you, we can actually play this back, and it'll play the conversation that we just had, just in case you don't know what this is. Then we'll be able to hear you and hear what you said. So we can conversate with you, but it might take a few seconds. We have to go back and listen to what you said. That way we can talk about what you said. So I'm going to press this button, and then you'll see a red light. I'm going to set it on the table. You come to this red light that's on the table, and if there's anything at all that you want to say, you say it into that red light. So if you can you tell us your name? Are you a member of the Benton family? I'm going to stop this recording, and we're going to listen back to see if we can hear you. And then you'll see a red light. It's on the table. You come to this red light that's on the table, and if there's anything at all that you want to say, you say it into that red light. So if you can you tell us your name? Oh, that gave me chills. Did you hear that? There's a yell in there.
There's something in there for
no,
sure.
it's a yell.
It's like,
It's a
yeah.
yell. Oh, chills right away. First one.
Oh, hi.
Hold on.
Thank you. So now, the thing with this house, there have been all kinds of things that I read online that were crazy because people are saying that this house is as active as Bobby Mackey's or more active, but the spirits tend to be a lot nicer than the ones at Bobby Mackey. So hopefully that's true and we'll get some great conversation with them tonight.
I mean, clearly somebody wanted to say something.
Yeah. So yeah, Mr. Benton is still here and his wife, and then one of the crazy things though is that we've heard is that there's a Native American shapeshifter. So I don't want to see that. He probably does.
I still do. Like, it's not one of those things, like I've said before, it's not something I would want to see all the time, or something that if I saw it, I'd probably poop myself and run away. But if I saw it, like, I want to see it just once. You know, there's things in your life that you want to do just once. Things that you want to see maybe just once.
Good.
This is one of those things for me. It's like, man, that would be so cool. If you can, wherever you're at in this house, we thought we heard you yell after I said, can you tell me your name? Is there any way that you can come into this room where you hear my voice? Or if you can see us, come into this room and whatever you just said, can you yell it again into this red light so we can hear it? Is there anything at all that you want to tell us right now? Car outside? And an airplane?
I'm going to say lots of airplanes.
I'm going to stop this recording. I'm going to play this back and listen, okay? So hopefully you came down into this room and you said something to us.
What was that? Is that a dog?
I don't know what that is. Right at the beginning. Right at the beginning. Right at the beginning. Woo! I don't know what that is. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Okay. So, press this recording again. I'm going to press this button so you can see the red light. A few moments ago, when I was going to get this other box that we could hear what was playing on this louder, it's a car going by, we thought we heard something which kind of sounded like a dog. She had said something about, Beth had said something about there being shapeshifters. Is that possibly you communicating with us as an animal? If so, can you make the animal sound again? It was a car door. Or if you'd like, can you come back to your human form and talk to us, excuse me, talk to us through your human form? Just have to talk into this red light. I'm going to press the stop button so we can see if we hear you.
Now, one thing to note, I always kind of joke about this, but it's kind of true. When you go to these haunted places, a lot of people see stuff on TV and they're like, oh my God, it's crazy. And sometimes it is kind of crazy, and other nights it's like fishing. So it's like you're sitting there and sometimes it's quiet and then later on it'll pick up, so.
Well, the one thing you got to remember about TV too is some of those guys get to spend like a week in some of these locations. We're doing 8 or 9 hours, so I mean, it's, you know, you could easily have 8 or 9 hours of nothing, even catching just the one EVP right away. If nothing else happened, that's amazing.
Oh yeah.
Just
yes.
something talk to us. So I mean, it's one of those things where even if you don't catch anything the first night, you need to go back more than once.
Yes. Don't automatically rule it out if your first night's quiet.
Tell them where we went. We went somewhere before we got here, and you know we got some of that yum yum. It was so delicious. Had a bacon cheeseburger that was to die for. It was so delicious.
It's in Walton, Kentucky, and it is also called Farm Market because all their food comes from farms. So it's farm to table, and it was amazing.
Super fresh.
Well, hello.
They like that too. We start talking about the farm
Maybe
market.
That's Mr. Benton.
Mr. Ben, if that's you, can you walk away from that?
Thank you.
Do you know anything about, what was that place called? What was the restaurant called?
Farm Market.
Farm Market. Do you know anything about, sure. Do you know anything about the Farm Market restaurant that we went to? Do you like that they use fresh ingredients from the farm? It's not like you said no.
I know.
We know you like it.
Well, somebody.
Sure.
Is this Mr. Benton?
Me?
I saw the light rising. Sneaky?
Sneaky? Somebody being sneaky driving by? Alright, is any of the members of the Benton family in here with us right now? Yes?
Yeah. How many of you? Say 8?
I didn't hear that part. Are there 8 of you in here with us? Say yeah, or say
I
8?
got an 8.
I thought I heard 8.
Sure.
Sure.
Okay, so there's 8 of you.
Outside. This. Sound like you said this building maybe?
Yeah.
Is someone outside this building? Do you need to let somebody in? Jeff?
I thought it said Jeff.
Is it Jeff?
Because I was like, Jeff.
Who's Jeff? I almost thought it said brother, but I'm not sure. We'll have to listen to that again. Is Jeff somebody's brother? I swear, listen to this again. I thought it said we have monsters. Did somebody see Beth get attacked by that duck outside? That hurt?
It would have if I wouldn't have had jeans on. He was feisty. So when you did live here, what was your favorite thing to grow? Corn?
That's what I heard. Corn.
I think everybody loves corn. Was it sweet corn?
If there is somebody in here, I'm going to press this. Just kidding. Oh no,
The battery dead?
it's full.
Oh, that's
See you
cool.
on the camera?
Yeah. Is that still fireworks?
I don't know. I'm not seeing fireworks out there. I can't tell if that's outside, if it's like somebody's door. If anybody was up here, they could hear us downstairs. I've got this little thing in my hand that's got a red light on it. So if there's anything you want to say to us and we can't hear you with our ears, we'll be able to hear you through this. So if there's anything you want to say, now's your chance. If you want to tell us your name or anything, just say it. And you repeat.
Oh.
Do that.
Oh, what's it doing? Keeps doing.
The red light's right. It's almost like it was Morse coding us.
Oh.
The red light's kind of going crazy. Ooh. She's missing a head. Now she's not.
Oh.
She's missing a head. Scary. Creepy ass babies. Oh, there's her head. Hi.
Hi.
Sound like a little kid. I'm Timmy. That's what I heard. Is your name Timmy? What's going on here? That's crazy. Timmy, can you grab that? If you're up here, grab that this thing right here and see those lights go off. You can make that happen. Nick? Yeah, that's my name.
Do you like when people come to visit you? I like it.
I thought I would do. I heard at least I like. Can you tell us how many of you are up here right now? It says 7, but I'm not sure. So it sounds like there's a lot of you trying to come through. Yes?
That's good. We want to talk to you. There's a sled up there.
If you said something, can you repeat it? We didn't understand you.
Not it.
Not it?
Hey, Nick.
Hey, Nick. Well, hello. Who's this?
Nick.
It's Nick. So your name's Nick too? Well, hi, Nick.
Did you say your name was Paul?
That was a full sentence.
Yeah.
Sound like a little kid.
I know.
Do you want us to come back and visit? Always.
Always, yeah. Heck?
That was scary. That was weird.
Oh.
I swear I just heard a woman's voice.
Did you?
I was like, was it the way I stepped on the floor?
Sounded like a woman just said help. We get that a lot. Does somebody need help?
And we made it home from another investigation on October 1st, Halloween time.
Yeah.
Benton Farms, we had a great time. It was a quiet night. Had a few things happen, but overall it was kind of quiet.
That happens.
We were just getting kind of tired. We're getting old. So we let ourselves get tired tonight. So unfortunately, we called it quits early. But it's okay. So it's a place we'll definitely go back to. Super cheap, super fun, very easy. I mean, they unlock the door, you go in, you do your thing. We would definitely suggest that if you go, it's probably better for a small group.
Yes.
It's a good sized house, but I think that if you split up, you'd probably hear each other in certain areas, depending on what kind of equipment you're using and what you're trying to do. So we would suggest probably maybe a group of 4 or less, and more than likely you're going to be together the entire night. So I mean, even you could do more than 4 if everybody spent the entire night together. So you just really wouldn't be able to split up unless some people went out to the car and waited for a little while and you took turns going in. So that's all. But I mean, you can do it from 6 to 8.
Yep.
So I mean, you've got a super amount of time to be able to go.
And a super comfortable couch
Yeah.
if you want to sleep.
That was the other problem, was the last place we sat in. We sat on a super comfy couch and
Oh my god, it was comfortable.
got super comfy. So
It's like,
that made it super hard.
yes.
But yeah, so yeah.
And I wanted to give a shout out to Jared from Pasadena Paranormal. Jared Tracy, he comments on pretty much every single one of our videos.
We see you, Jared. We see you.
That's right.
Appreciate you.
And his team also has his girlfriend Jackie, Brent, and Ed. So I wanted to give a special shout out to them and to say thank you for watching.
Brent, Ed, you guys are the bomb. We appreciate you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we appreciate you. So yeah, that's that. Now it's time for the sweepy sweep. We had the yum yums earlier. We had the investigation. I ain't got nothing fun for that one. It's just investigation. So now it's time for the sweepy sweep.
Yep.
So we will see you at the next one. Peace.